Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to make Basmati pulao, that is a famous Bengali dish. So for which I am just now washing the rice. I have taken half a cup of rice. This big cup, I have taken half cup of rice, and now I am washing it. And you have to wash it until the water become totally clear. Okay, still now it's translucent, but once the water will become clear, I will soak the rice with some more water and let it sit for some time. As here you can see, the water is clear now. It has become transparent. So I just soak the rice in some normal water and I will set it for 5 minutes. Then I will drain out the water and start cooking. Here you see I have soaked the rice for 5 minutes. Now I will drain out the water and just drain out the water. Okay, I will start by adding this much of ghee. I'm not going to use any oil. In this ghee, I will put 2 elaichi, some broken pieces of kaju and some kismis. I have added 2 elaichi. Actually you have to add garam masala, the whole garam masala, but I don't have garam masala, so I just put 2 elaichis. Now in this I will add some kaju and kishmish. As you can see, I have put the kaju and kishmish to it. Now I will fry it for some time, and then I will add the soaked rice to it. Here comes my soaked rice, and I am putting it into the kettle. Now we'll give it a good mix. In this I will add a bit of haldi because this is Basmati pulao. Basmati means yellow, so it's a yellow pulao, and as this is a Bengali dish, so it has got some sweetness into it. So I will add a bit of sugar, turmeric and salt. So here I am adding a bit of turmeric into it. It will give a lovely color to the rice. Not much. Also I will add the sugar. Small spoon, you can see. So I'm adding a bit of sugar, and to this I will add a bit of salt. Salt as per your taste, okay. Now I will give everything a very good mix. It won't take long time, as I am already frying the rice, so the starch will evaporate from it and it will turn into a nice texture. Look at the color. It has coated the rice very well. Now is the time to add water. So I will add the water so that the rice are just soaked into it, not much. I will check it by giving a good mix. Here you can see the rice is just get covered. Okay. I will add a bit more haldi because the water is there. Give it a good mix. water, not much, just a tidbit. Now I will put it on, switch it on the lower one, and will cover it and cook it until 70% is done. As you can see, I have opened the lid. 70% of the rice is done. I'm showing you by taking one rice. Sorry, actually I have less pieces. Here it's done almost 70%, and now I will cook it with the lid open. I won't put the lid on now. I will just give it a good stir so that it won't get stuck at the bottom. It's almost done. I will switch it off now and let it sit for some time. Now I will put the cover again, and the rest it will get cooked in the vapor itself. Okay, this is my egg curry. Isn't it looking delicious? Today I am going to have egg curry and basmati pulao. If I say it in proper Bangla, it is dimed dalna or dim kosha with basmati pulao, and it goes really very well. If you want the video of this egg curry, it's already there on my channel. You can go and check it. As you can see, the water has now dried up, almost dried up. So now I will take it out and will keep it under the fan for some time, and it will become more what can I say, jhorjhore, or in Hindi if I say, more khila hua. Okay, now I will take it out into the bowl and keep it for some time under the fan. As you can see, I have taken it out into a bowl. Now I will keep it under the fan for some time. Sorry guys, as I don't have any other place. I stay in a hostel or in a PG, so I have to keep it onto the bed so that it get the air from the fan, and it got bit dried up. Okay, so this is the end result, and then I will serve the basmati pulao with the egg kosha that I will put in the thumbnail. You can see that. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share it with all of your friends. I will come again with a new video. Until then, take care and goodbye.